What's the deal, YouTube family? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into painting the frame for the dirt bike. I was already doing some stuff in here, so I'm pretty whooped, sweating and stuff, as you can see, but we're going to jump straight into it. Let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, we got the frame sanded down, ready for the paint. I'm just wipe it off a little bit. Out of here. Out. So right now I'm just going over the parts that usually catch a beating, but I'm trying to tack over the whole thing. Like once it dries, we'll flip it and then we'll throw another coat on. But so far so good. It's a very different, very metallic-y plate. Also got some tools. All these drawers are full, so we're actually gonna get a pegboard for the wall and stuff, and be able to pop some of these tools up there. Yeah, I'm going to get out of here. Good thing I wear glasses and stuff too. But set your guys up here, and I'll see you in a second. Alright y'all, so about to be getting rid of the bike, as you can see. We ended up selling this thing for $900. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it out of here. I'm tired of it.
Plus, say my day's a number, but I keep waking up.
I'm not sure if the mic's gonna be working because I left it on the whole time, but we got the bike back there. Right now I'm just waiting on the guy to pull up, ready to go. At this point, I traveled far, so yeah, as you can see, I'm out of my element. I'm way up here in the mountains. It's probably gonna be a struggle fest getting the bike off, so I ain't trying to be out there moving the camera around and get the right angle and all that. You guys know what's going on. I'll update you after.